You gotta hold on to it. She's gonna.
Oh!
Hey, buddy.
Oh my god.
Right, we got.
Oh my god. Wait, one
Oh
has
my
blood.
gosh! Can I just
One has
touch you?
blood.
Can
One
I
has
touch you?
blood.
Oh my God!
Wait, one has blood.
Blood?
Yeah, see it?
Maybe God.
Here.
What?
Shot. Oh my gosh, there's too many.
Yeah, there's too many, and
Wait.
that one almost grabbed my. Oh, when their horns come off, honey. See, they get.
No, boy chicken.
No, we're the first car. I can't
No,
believe
boy
it.
chicken. Wait, sometimes something in the ear.
This is all we have left. Are you sharing it with the big brutes?
No.
All right. Okay.
Also, we can only go for look at Daddy. Stop. Stop. Wait. Daddy, stop. Stop. Wagging their tails. I've never.
You having fun?
Look at all their spots. Are you getting good pictures, Chris? Cause
No, I don't want to feed the ostrich. Hi, man. Long ways my booty.
well, no. I mean, he's got to eat too. Everybody likes the cute little guys, and they.
Bye bye. You see you later. I'm gonna cross into you.
Move.
This is Vince Gill. I like it. Get his mother to give him some milk.
Hey, Mr. Zebra.
Hello.
Hey, Mr.
Hello, you
Zebra.
beauty.